So I'm going to do 2 eco resin trays and trying something new. I've used my liner, PBO liner, and I've drawn some flowers. Now what I'm going to do is mix up a little bit at a time. Oh, I should put some water in here first. Tiny bit of water. And then I'm going to put my color in. We'll do something subtle. Tangerine maybe. Let's not go overboard. And maybe a bit of yellow. As you know, they do get oops. I think I'll have to get it to a fairly thick consistency. Still the yellow. Oh. I must admit, the only part that I don't like working with this stuff is messy. Now, should I use a pipette or should I just wonder if it'll stay in? We'll wait and see. Okay, so here goes the final. See how it goes. See whether it worked or not. I don't know if it did. It's a bit of a disappointment. And it didn't work. So let's have a look. Oh. So the flowers came. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, this one's not too bad. Except I'll have to see. So it didn't take the glue at all, the piping. But I guess it helped keep the petals and things together. But sadly, it's not. Let me get some. Hang on a minute. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is going to work. I'll give it a go. See how it turned out. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see if it works this way. Only problem is, like this one has got, I don't know whether the blacks come through or oh well, you get the idea. It was an experiment. I had to try it. I may have to maybe just paint it, like instead of using what's it called, the and you notice the little colors that were there didn't turn out either. So that was left behind. Even this one. It looked gorgeous on the other side, but this is what it is. So I'll give it a go again. Maybe paint it, what should I say, freehand, and then see how I go. But I think the idea is awesome. I don't know why this black is, maybe wants it to dry a little bit more. The idea was good. Any ideas? Please share them. Share them with me, how I could use the eco to actually paint your flowers on, you know. So when you pour the other eco on the top, it just blends together, you know, how they do the terrazzo stuff, you know, those come out quite nice. So yeah, I enjoy working with it. It's just, it's a very messy, it's quite messy actually. But what do you think? You know, this one didn't come out too bad. Even if I put resin on the top, or maybe repaint it, oops, repaint it, you know, with acrylics or something. But I like that little dent that thing is given. See how we go. Not too bad. And this one's a bit of a mess because I think the black has leaked through. Maybe I need to make the eco resin a bit thicker when I'm pouring the back. It's either that or I haven't. Yeah, but the idea is good. Looks good. You know. See how we go. I haven't taken it out of my mind yet, so I'll give it another shot and see how we go. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your support. I'll see you guys soon.